welcome back to Sparkin STEM's Virtual Experiment series. I hope you've been loving our videos so far, and if you haven't already watched our previous videos, make sure to do so. Today's experiment is a lemon volcano experiment. Feel free to follow along as I conduct the experiment, and without further ado, let's get started. The materials you'll need for this experiment are dish soap, baking soda, a bowl, a popsicle stick, 2 lemons, and food coloring of your choice. The first step of this experiment should be done under adult supervision as it requires the use of a knife. Start by cutting the head of the lemon. Then carve out the core.
This is the final product. The next step is preparing the lemon juice. You can do this by asking an adult to cut the lemon in half for you, and then you can take one half of the lemon and squeeze out the juice into a small bowl. If you have a lemon squeezer available, you can use it, but otherwise your hands will do just fine.
Now you want to take your popsicle stick and mush up the inside of the lemon to really bring out the lemon juice. Next, take the food coloring of your choice, I chose red, and add a few drops to the center.
The next step of this experiment is adding dish soap. A few drops will do, and the color does not matter. This step is also optional, so if you don't have dish soap, don't worry. Once you've added the dish soap, you're going to want to take the baking soda that you set aside earlier and take about 1 tablespoon. You're going to take that tablespoon and put it into the lemon. You'll see it begin to fizz and bubble. Now you're going to want to take the craft stick and mix up the inside of the lemon. If you want to see the explosion get even bigger, add the lemon juice you set aside earlier. And even add more baking soda.
So why did this chemical reaction take place? What was the science behind this experiment? In science, there are many different types of reactions. This is an example of an acid-base reaction. The citric acid in the lemon is the acid part of this reaction, and the baking soda is the base. In every reaction, there is a new substance that is formed. The new substance formed in this experiment was carbon dioxide and sodium citrate. Now these words may seem big and confusing right now, but it's actually really simple. When these two substances were reacted with one another, it caused the liquid to fizz and bubble, thus creating the reaction that you saw here today.
Please complete this Google form, which can be found in the video description, to enter a draw and win a prize. All you need to do is send in a video or photo of you performing this experiment, as well as answer the mandatory questions. Also, if you complete and submit the forms from all the experiments posted on our YouTube channel by August 29th, you will get a special shout out on our final video of the month. Don't forget, the more experiments you do, the better chance you have of winning the prize, as each form is one name in the ballot. So be sure to try all the experiments.
This concludes this week's experiment. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to come back next week for another experiment. Bye!